Hello everybody, this is Niall again from Best RV. We're talking today about the brand new 2025 Thor Motor Coach Delano24FB. This is a fabulous masterpiece. As you see, this is on a Sprinter chassis. It's a kind of Class C, Class B, but it's the most common now these days on the Sprinter chassis is Class B plus, I call it, or Class C diesel Sprinter. It's on a Sprinter chassis with look like a Class C, but it's not a Class C because it has a lot of extra features. You should see this piece. It's a full body paint. I love the paint job they did on this motorhome. It's a 24FB by Thor. It has a beautiful power awning with LED light, and this power awning has no arms, so it makes it less headache for you. You don't have to hit the arms. We talk about the beautiful power awning. It comes with LP generators. It's a common Onan 3200. As you see here, it's the RVQD 3200. It's a LP generators, so you can run everything in this unit, no question asked. Now, why Delano separate themselves from the other Sprinter Class C diesel chassis? Everybody give you cap in the front. As you see, the beautiful cap in the front, but a lot of them, they don't give you a window in the front. This one has the automotive window on the cap, as you see on the top. So beautiful glass window in the top. Versus the competitor, they don't offer that. The full body paint, I like the 3M, we call it the bra or paint protections. You see here, there's a 3M protections. You see at the edge here to protect your front from any windshield, any rocks. As well, the paint, the frameless window, the nice power awning with no arms. This one has a nice finishing in the back. It has the aerodynamic cap at the bottom, and then there's a cap in the front with the backup cameras. Has a Class 3 hitch with a 7-way plug in the back. It's a perfect if you want to tow your car, your boat, your jet ski. It has a nice place for your docking stations, for your hooking the black water and the gray water tank. All underneath is the storage. But one thing what me personally love this one is it has the biggest slide out on a Sprinter chassis. So it has almost 13-foot slide out with a dinette and a solid walk around queen bed, and it still is a 24-foot Class C Sprinter chassis. Has the slide toppers on the roof. So you guys, you should see this unit inside. It's amazing. And the extra details Thor Motor Coach they did on this motorhome, it's worth every dollar on it. So it has the nice motorized step, this electric step, easy to get in. So as you see, we're inside the brand new 2025 Thor Motor Coach Delano24FB. I love the cabinet. If somebody tells me I don't have enough cabinet, I don't have counter space on a Sprinter chassis, you guys, I'm gonna tell them, no way. This one has it. Look, all this counter space, plenty room. I could have my coffee maker, my toasters. I have an area to prep. I have a nice stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet. I have a place for trash can. Everybody complain, no place for trash can. Look at it, you have a place for trash can. I put my cooking pan there. It has the nice Domatic 2-burner range. And then I have a nice convections microwave. And I still have a decent doors. And you see these doors, they're self-closing. I have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then even I have a deep one. It's amazing from that beautiful kitchens. As well, I have a nice dining area. I like the cushions in the back, so when you sit, like I could use this one, I could sit this way, and I have a cushion in my back, so I don't have to feel like I'm against a wall. I could have a nice conversations with the two front seat. They swivel with the table in between, a dinette, so I could sit here and have a nice conversations with my friends when we go gathering. As well, I have a 2-seat or 3-seat sofa, whatever you want to call it, seat, so I could sit in the dinette. I could sit here and stretch, watch the TV. Wife, she could be sitting on the dining. We could sit on the dining and play cards. It's amazing. So I could sit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 7 people could be in this 24-foot inside enjoying the gathering. The beauty also is the cabinet. Look, this curved cabinet. It's unbelievable. It's very, like, it's a, I think they're Italian front cabinet here. Nice, beautiful gray colors. And then if somebody say, hey, if I'm sitting on this sofa, how I could watch TV? Oh, the problem solved. This TV is on a swing. I could swing it. I could see it from my bed as well while I'm sitting on the sofa. I could see it from my dinette. I could see it from my bunk room area if I want. So you could see this TV from any position you want. And then again, you just push it and lock itself. Why 24FB? It's nice. It's a nice layout because it gives you multiple sitting area. Plus, it gives you a full walk-around bed. Plus, it gives you the big bathroom in the back. Because you remember, folks, when this bed is in the corner, guess what? I have a small bathroom. When this one on a slide out by itself, the dinette is right there. But with the 24FB, they push the dinette as well the queen bed outside, so it gives you very open space. That's even very nice together. Now, somebody's going to tell me, I don't have enough storage underneath. Wait a minute, I have a storage underneath the dinette with doors. Again, look how beautiful it is. It goes by itself. Then I have a full storage over my dinette. There's even LED lights. And you can see what's going on. And this side as well, and the other side. Now, he's going to tell me, I am tired from making bed. I don't say how tired from making bed by just putting this cushion down here. And then I can take that one. I flat my arm holders. Then I come down this way. And I just turn the switch. And I push the switch. How easy it is. How easy it is. How easy it is. Tell me, how long it took me? Not even less than seconds. I took my nice, beautiful queen bed. I have a storage on the top of the queen bed with a closet. I have a USB plug. I have a place here for my CP machines and USB plugs. A place for my water bottle. Even if I sleep here, I still could walk in the middle of the night, go outside without bothering my wife. Hey, you need to move, I need to move the bed. I could sleep 2 people here. The dining table turned to a bed and I could sleep another, 2 kids, one adult. And then you have a nice, beautiful bed over the driver and passengers. Come with the ladder. Voila. So I have a bed right here. A dinette turned to a bed, and then I have the nice queen bed. So I could sleep easy. I could sleep easy 5 adults. With kids, I could have home. And then also, the kids, they love this bed. You know why? Because you can come over here and push that switch, and then you have a full skylight. Kids love it at night. When they go camping, they can see all the kind of stars, the lighting. Voila! Look how nice, beautiful sleeping area. They can see the stars. They want privacy. Very simple. Just push a switch, and then you have full privacy. Even if you say, you know what, I don't like the dark places. I don't like. Well, keep it open. It's nice, beautiful view. And then you have those 2 swings. It has a boost for the seats. You can see I can sit on those seats, have my breakfast, my drink, me and the wife. We have a nice socialize with the people in the dinette. I don't even have to worry. It's very roomy. And I could sit here and say, where's my drink? Give me my sandwich. Right there. And then on this bed, if I wake up in the morning, look, one switch. I don't have to do nothing. One switch. Voila! My bed is away. Turn this. Put the 2 cushions. Less than seconds. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Voila! I am enjoying nice seating on the sofa. My TV is in front of me. very roomy on a Sprinter chassis comparing to others. And everybody complained on the Sprinter chassis there's not enough closet. Wait a minute, not on the 24FB. 24FB has a big wardrobe closet, so I can hang all my clothes, as you see here, there's a lot. Then I have doors here for socks, sheet, underwear, pillows, whatever. And then look how big, huge, another closet in the bathroom. So I have his and her. A closet for him. This is in the bathroom. A closet for her. And multiple doors. I have a place for towels. Nice medicine cabinet. Again, his and her. A nice counter space with the stainless steel sink. A place for towels or whatever, toilet paper for bathroom. There's even a place for tissues. Nice showers, very roomy. I could stand in the showers without hitting my head. High skylight, you could see. Nice enclosure, so no water drop, no water's gonna be coming. Enough place for the elbow. So that's what I like about the 24F. Very roomy in the shower, roomy showers, roomy bathroom, big counter space, a full walk-around queen bed, a dinette, and a nice gathering area on the front with the tables. Also, you still have the bunk area. You don't have the big, classy, bulky one. It's very narrow. Believe me, when you drive this one, you don't drive a motorhome. You're driving a G-Wagon. A nice, all the features of Mercedes Benz is on it. Touchscreen, GPS, you name it. All the technology of the Mercedes Benz is on it. And a camera, as you see here on the rear, as well the both sides. You can see the side when you turn left and right. It's amazing. Now, everybody said, well, Class C, they don't come with auto leveling. I'm going to tell them wrong. This Sprinter has the options, and it's already come with it. It has B&L auto leveling. So this Sprinter comes with auto leveling jack. So when I come over here, when I park it and settle down, I could touch the screen and I could do the auto leveling there. So that's another advantage on the 24FB. So come also with the solar. Not worry about power. It has a solar. Has a bigger battery pack. Has the LP generator. It has all touchscreen. I could do everything here with a touchscreen. So all the new features, all the new technology of a Class C diesel Sprinter chassis, from auto leveling, from power on with no arms, from bigger AC ducting. Also on the Delano, we have the features of soft sealing. So you don't see the stables like some other brands. They put you a piece of wood with a bunch of stables. Looks clean. And when you have soft sealing to help in the installation, as well from the noise. So if it's a rainy day, you don't hear that noise of the rain like some other brand. Ducted. You see the ducting coming through all here, as well through the vents. I could make the AC go shooting AC just only through the front cap, or I could let it go through all the ducting. So these are the features. Why separate the line from the others? I mean, yes, we sell multiple brands of a Sprinter chassis to accommodate your budget. So I have the similar floor plans from other brands starting at $99,000 and up to the price of the Delano. So Delano is the luxury, you want to call it the premium of the Sprinter chassis Class C motorhome. Why? Because it has the full body paint, it has the cap in the front with the big window and the power shape. You have the cap in the back. You have a power awning with no arms. Everybody gives you power awning has arms. This one does not. The soft sealing versus wood sealing. The power Murphy bed versus just manual Murphy bed. Standard cabinet versus European cabinet with the European hinges. The auto leveling versus no auto leveling. So there's a lot of features to mention on this unit, and it's worth everything. Now, what's the job of Best RV? Best RV's job first to make this motorhome ready for you at no cost. And say that we give them the free walkthrough, free orientation. We make this motorhome ready to go camping at no cost to you. Plus, we assure you, the lowest price for Delano from 24FB, from the 23, all their models of Delano. When they come to Best RV, we sell them for a price no dealer could match. We sell them for less, lowest prices in this side of the country, California. So come to Best RV. Look at the beautiful Delano 24FB came in, and you will see and you will appreciate every single options, and you appreciate the low price we have available. Come into Best RV so we can